Numbers are everywhere, written in what we call standard form. A number like 4,532 is neat, tidy, and easy to read. But that tidy package hides a secret. It's like a tightly coiled rubber band, and we rarely get to see how far it can truly stretch. Or maybe think of it like a finished Lego castle. It looks great, but what if you wanted to see every single brick that went into building it? That's what we're going to do today. We're going to learn how to explode numbers, to pull them apart and see the true power and value hidden inside each digit. This is called expanded form. The basic idea is simple. We take a number and break it down into an addition problem based on place value. Thousands plus hundreds plus tens plus ones. Let's try it with the number 5,602. First, we look at the 5. It's in the thousands place, so its real value is 5,000. Next is the 6. It's sitting in the hundreds place, so it represents 600. Then we have a 0 in the tens place. Its value is just 0. We can hold on to that for a second. Finally, the 2 is in the ones place, so it's simply 2. Now we just line them all up. 5,000 plus 600 plus 0 plus 2. And here's a pro tip. Since adding 0 doesn't change anything, we usually just leave it out. So the clean, expanded form of 5,602 is simply 5,000 plus 600 plus 2. We've just stretched that number out to see all its working parts. Now, what about going the other way? Pulling the number apart is one thing, but can we squish it back together? Let's say you're given this puzzle. 8,000 plus 400 plus 7. What number is that? It's a bit like assembling that Lego castle from the pile of bricks. You just put each piece in its correct spot. We have an 8 for the thousands place, a 4 for the hundreds place, then… Wait, the puzzle doesn't mention any tens. When a place value is missing, it's not just skipped, it's held open by our hero, the 0. So we need a 0 in the tens place. Finally, we have a 7 for the ones place. Put it all together, and what do you get? 8, 4, 0, 7. 8,407. The 0 was the quiet, invisible brick that held the whole structure together. All right, let's test this new skill. Quick challenge. What is 3,941 in expanded form? The 3 is 3,000, the 9 is 900, the 4 is 40, the 1 is just 1. So 3,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 1. Perfect! How about another? A number has 7 thousands, 2 hundreds, and 9 ones. What is it in standard form? 7 in the thousands place, 2 in the hundreds, a 0 holding the tens place, and a 9 in the ones, 7,209. Here's where it gets really useful. Which of these is larger? 4,000 plus 500 plus 20, or 4,000 plus 600? The first one squishes back together to become 4,520. The second one is 4,600. By pulling the numbers apart, it becomes instantly clear. They both have 4,000, but the second number has 600, which is obviously more than 520. You didn't need to see the final number. The expanded form gave you X-ray vision to compare their internal parts directly. This isn't just a party trick for numbers. Understanding expanded form, seeing the weight of each digit, is a foundational skill. It's what makes you a master of regrouping when you start doing more complex addition and subtraction. It's the difference between just memorizing rules and truly understanding how numbers work. You've learned to see the architecture inside the numbers all around you. You can pull them apart and put them back together again. That's a powerful new way to see the world.